Hello, welcome to Math is Easy, step by step. I'm going over HiSET test question examples. And so I'm also trying to include test taking strategies and ways you can eliminate possible A, B, C, D, E answers. And in this particular example, I do not have any test taking strategies as of yet. So let's just jump right into it. Which of these numbers is closest to the value of the expression 1/6 plus 2/5? Okay, and so A, 2/5, B, 3/7, C, 3/5, D, 5/8, E, 2/3. So the only thing I'm going to point out is you have 2/5 here, 2/5 here, and you're adding 1/6 to the 2/5. So probably not going to be A, since we're looking for an expression that has the closest value. So 2/5 plus 1/6. But I cannot say for certain, given this information, to cross off option A. So right now they all apply. Let's go ahead and get into this. Every fraction is a division problem. So every fraction is a division problem, right? So 1/6 is, entering into your calculators, 1 divided by 6. What does that give you? It gives you 0.16. I'm going to use these decimal values like it's money, 16 cents, right? So we're going to treat that like 16 cents. And I'm going to raise this up here. Let's go ahead and continue. 2/5, right? So it's 1/6 plus 2/5 was in that question. 2/5 is 2 divided by 5, right? 2 divided by 5. And when you punch this into your calculator, you get 0.14 or 40 cents. 40 cents. So 40 cents plus 16 cents gives you 56 cents. That's the way you can kind of look at it, right? 0.16 plus 0.40. Or when you're adding the decimals, you keep those decimals lined up. 6 plus 0 is 6. 1 plus 4 is 5. 0 plus 0 is 0. Or 56 cents. So 1/6 plus 2/5 in that question gives you a value, when they're added together, of 56 hundredths is how you'd say it mathematically. Hey, I'm going to treat this like 56 cents. So which one of these, A, B, C, D, or E, is closest to 56 cents? So as you can probably assume, I'm going to take each of these, A, B, C, D, and E, and I'm going to take the top number divided by the bottom number and turn those into decimals to see which one of these is closest. All right, and that's what I'm showing you here. Now convert each option A through E into a decimal value, which is closest to 56 hundredths or 56 cents is how I'm going to use it, like it's money, right? For those of you that are having trouble seeing this, I'm going to use another diagram in my video part 2 that shows you a number line, color coordinated, and that might make it a little bit easier for you to see which value is closest, A through E. So let me just show you that here. So 2/5, 2 divided by 5 equals 0.40 or 40 cents, right? 3/7 or 3 divided by 7 equals 0.429. So I could say this is about 43 cents. The rule is when you round a number up, if the number to the right is 5 or larger, you can round up the number in front. So 43 cents would be appropriate for B. C, 3 divided by 5 equals about 60 cents or 6/10. D, 5 divided by 8 gives you 0.625, the number to the right is 5 or larger, you could say this was 63 cents. And for E, 2 divided by 3 is 67 hundredths or 67 cents. So just looking at these, 56 cents or 56 hundredths, is that closer to 40 cents? 43 cents? 60 cents? 63 cents? 67 cents? If you can't see this answer yet, please watch the second part of this video. I'm going to show it to you on a number line. Thank you for joining me. Math is easy. Take it step by step. I appreciate your time, and I apologize for the shaky screen. I will continue this problem and showing you on a number line in part 2. Thank you for joining me.